Hello friends, my name is Mudassir Manzoor and I welcome you all in this new initiative of computer awareness, which is going to be special for you people that will help you in banking, SSC, JK, SSB, UGC, NET, Railway, Police and in other state level exams. And in this entire lecture series, हम discuss करेंगे important chapters as well as we will do some important MCQs, pre-IQs that are important from your syllabus point of view. as आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं some important features of this lecture series. It include chapter-wise discussion and notes forum, chapter-wise question bank with each chapter, chapter-wise collection of previous year questions, including with 5 practice sets. So this is going to be the most important section for you people that will help you almost in all competitive exams like bank PO clerk, SSC, GK, SSB, UGC, NET, Railway, Police, and in other state level recruitments. So we are going to cover almost entire syllabus and keep a tab on all the videos. और मैं स्टूडेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो रिवाइज करे ईच टॉपिक ईच चैप्टर एटलीस्ट टुवाइस और ऑल्सो रिवाइज प्रैक्टिस करें PYQs MCQs. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ऑल्सो बता दूँ अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स. स्पेशली आप मेरे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं जहां मैं आपसे PDF शेयर करूंगा. अदरवाइज़ अगर आपको कोई क्वायरी डाउट या अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल ज़रूरत हो तो आप मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं ऑन दिस ईमेल. और हमने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया है थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 1. अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोज़ को नहीं देखा आप जाके उनको ऑल्सो देख सकते हैं. And today we will be doing some important MCQs from chapter number 1 and this will be our first set. So let's start with the question number 1. The question number 1 is the word computer has been derived from which of the following language? Your options are 1 Greek, 2 English, 3 Hindi and 4 Latin. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके अपना ऑप्शन चूज कर सकते हैं and the correct answer of this question is Latin. 4. Let's see the explanation. The word computer it has been derived from Latin word computare, which means to calculate or to count or to sum up. Originally जो word computer है इसको यूज़ किया जाता था to describe a person जो कि perform करता है mathematical calculations by hand or by using simple mechanical tools like abacus or slide rules. And over time जो मीनिंग है टर्म कंप्यूटर की इट हैज़ बीन शिफ्टेड जिसको टुडे यूज़ किया जाता है टू डिस्क्राइब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन्स दैट आर केपेबल दैट परफॉर्म वेरियस कैलकुलेशंस एंड दैट प्रोसेस डेटा ऑटोमेटिकली. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज इनपुट आउटपुट प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइसेस आर grouped together. They are present and your options are 1 mobile device, 2 information processing cycle, 3 circuit board and 4 computer system. The correct answer of this question is 4, that is computer system. Let's see an explanation. जब इनपुट आउटपुट प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइसेस को हम ग्रुप करते हैं एक साथ वो बेसिकली रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को. एंड सम इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम आर इनपुट डिवाइसेस. These are those devices through which we enter data and instructions into the computer like keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Next are processing devices. ये जो devices हैं that basically convert our data into the meaningful information like CPU along with its important components like control unit, arithmetic logic unit. And next are output devices. ये जो devices हैं these devices basically display and provide us the results or outcome of data processing like these devices include monitor, printer, speakers. Similarly storage devices. ये जो devices हैं these devices store our data or information for future use like hard drives, SSDs and USB drives. So input output processing along with the storage devices represent computer system. Hence option number 4 computer system is our correct answer. Now moving to the next question. Which of the following is the correct order of 4 major functions of computer? 1 process output input storage, 2 input output process storage, 3 process storage input output, 4 input, process, output, storage. The correct answer of this question is option number 4, that is input, process, output, storage. Let's see an explanation. जो 4 major functions हैं computer की, these are first input, which is a process of entering data into the computer that we enter through by using input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. Then processing, जो computer है, it processed the entered data that we had entered and that convert it into the meaningful information. और जो computer है, it process this data through CPU. CPU include arithmetic logic unit and control unit, जो कि परफॉर्म करते हैं कैलकुलेशंस और जो कि रन करते हैं एप्लीकेशंस को. देन उसके बाद आउटपुट डिवाइसेस, जो कंप्यूटर है डिस्प्लेज द आउटकम और रिजल्ट्स including the it view texts on monitor like that results or get it printed on a document. So together ये जो functions हैं, these functions help computer to perform various tasks efficiently. Then उसके बाद storage, जो computer है it saves data temporarily or permanently for our future use. Temporary storage, it include RAM, that is random access memory, and permanent storage include hard drives, SSDs and cloud storage. Hence जो correct answer है of this question, that is option number 4. Now let's proceed to the next question, that is computer collects data and convert it into information is called as 1. Processing, 2. Compiling, 3. Importing and 4. Exporting. The correct answer of this question is option 1, that is processing. Let's see the explanation. Collection of data then converting it into the information, it is known as data processing. And here are few steps of data processing that you can remember. First is data collection. Computer है it first to collect or gather data from various sources. Then data input, जो computer है ये डेटा इनपुट देता है हम इसको डेटा जो है दैट वाज एंटर्ड इनटू द कंप्यूटर थ्रू इनपुट डिवाइसेस. देन डेटा प्रोसेसिंग, जो कंप्यूटर है इट परफॉर्म वेरियस ऑपरेशंस लाइक इट सॉर्ट्स डेटा, देन इट कैलकुलेट्स डेटा, देन इट एनालाइज डेटा थ्रू हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर रिसोर्सेज. देन डेटा स्टोरेज, दैट इज सेविंग ऑफ प्रोसेस्ड डेटा फॉर फ्यूचर यूज. देन आउटपुट, जो कंप्यूटर है इट प्रेजेंट द प्रोसेस्ड डेटा जो कि हम रीड कर सकते हैं इन मीनिंगफुल फॉर्मेट. सो ये जो एंड्रॉयड प्रोसेस है ये हमें एसेंशियल देखने को मिलती है फॉर डिसीजन मेकिंग, रिपोर्टिंग एंड एफिशिएंट मैनेजमेंट इन वेरियस फील्ड्स. हैंस जो हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर 1 है दैट इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट परफॉर्म. योर ऑप्शंस आर 1. इनपुट, 2. output, 3. thinking, 4. processing. Here the correct answer is option number 3, that is thinking. Let's see an explanation. जो computer head cannot perform thinking like human beings. However, जो computers है they follow predefined instructions or programs to process data or to produce results. While जो computers है they are very well at making decisions through artificial intelligence, but not the same way as humans do. So the key difference between human beings and computers are logic versus creativity. Computers हैं they operate purely on logic and algorithms, while जो human beings हैं they think creatively, intuitively and emotionally. Then data driven, जो computers हैं वो हमें depend देखने को मिलते हैं on input data in order to perform any task, while जो human beings हैं they can make decisions on any kind of information. Then learning, जो computers हैं that learn through machine learning, while that only recognize the patterns rather than the true understanding. Then consciousness, जो computers हैं that also lack awareness, emotions and self-reflection. So that's the reason computers cannot perform thinking. So if we see जो computers है these are the powerful tools for processing information, but at the same time they do not think like humans. Hence जो हमारा option number 3 है that is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. The question is Computer cannot perform which of the following actions? 1. Addition. 2. Subtraction. 3. Bake a cake. 4. Division. Here the correct answer is option number 3, that is bake a cake. जो कंप्यूटर्स हैं ये हमें बहुत ही गुड देखने को मिलते हैं एट परफॉर्मिंग कैलकुलेशंस, जो कि परफॉर्म करते हैं वेरियस कैलकुलेशंस लाइक एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, but they cannot physically bake a cake because it requires physical actions, ingredients and sensory input. So to perform such tasks it requires robotic arms and other physical devices. Then it may be perform, it can bake a cake. Hence जो हमारा option number 3 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is part number, description and number of parts ordered are the examples of 1. Control, 2. Output, 3. Processing, 4. Feedback. The correct answer here is option 2, that is output. Let's see an explanation. Part number, description, number of parts ordered, these are all the examples of output information. These are basically the results which are produced by the by inventory or ordering system, or we can say which are produced by computer. While if we talk about option 1, that is control, जो control head is basically a mechanism or instructions जो कि guide करते हैं operation of a system. Then third option, processing, जो है it deals with the manipulation or transformation of data. While जो part number, description and the number of parts order, these are the results of processing, but these are the examples of feedback. Then option 4, that is feedback. So feedback hands is a kind of information about the output of a system which is basically used for future inputs or processes. Hence here our option number 2 is our correct answer. Now let's see the next question. The question is benefits of computer are. Your options are 1. Computers are very fast and can store huge amounts of data. Second, they provide accurate output, either input is correct or not. Third, they think about processing. And 4, all of these. Here the correct answer is option 1, that is computers are very fast and can store huge amounts of data. Let's see the explanation. Speed and storage, these are the two most important characteristics of computer. While if we talk about speed, जो computers हैं they process data at a very high speed, जो कि perform करते हैं millions और even billions of calculations per second. और ये जो features हैं, these features makes computer an ideal for handling various tasks including scientific calculations, simulations, web browsing, word processing, etc. एंड जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि जो CPU है, दैट इज सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट, इट इज़ कॉल्ड द ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर, जो कि बेसिकली कंट्रोल और मॉनिटर करता है स्पीड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर इज थ्रू परफॉर्मिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड ऑपरेशंस एट अ वेरी हाई स्पीड. देन उसके बाद आती है स्टोरेज. जो कंप्यूटर है इट आल्सो स्टोर लार्ज अमाउंट्स ऑफ डेटा जो कि हम इजीली एक्सेस, मॉडिफाई और रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं. वो जो कंप्यूटर स्टोरेज है इसको मेनली डिवाइड किया जाता है इनटू द 3 टाइप्स, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड क्लाउड स्टोरेज. एमंग विच जो प्राइमरी स्टोरेज है इट इंक्लूड रैम जो कि स्टोर करती है डेटा को एंड प्रोग्राम्स को टेम्पोरली. वाइल जो सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज है इट इंक्लूड एज हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव्स, सैंड डिस्क ड्राइव्स जो कि स्टोर करते हैं हमारी डेटा को परमानेंटली फॉर ए लॉन्ग टर्म including documents, photos, complex applications and database. Then cloud storage, it basically helps secondary storage to store large amounts of data remotely that can be used anywhere. So ये जो combination है speed और storage की, it makes computer a powerful tool for wide range of applications, that is from simple tasks up to the complex. Hence जो हमारा option number 1 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is a collection of unprocessed items is called as 1. Information, 2. Data, 3. Memory, 4. Reports and 5th none of these. The correct answer of this question is option 2, data. Let's see the explanation. collection of unprocessed items. It is called as data, and data include raw data, figures, and unorganized information that is not yet processed by computer in a meaningful sense. Like for example, numbers, text, dates, or sensor reading जो है, these are all the examples of unprocessed data or items. और जब डेटा को प्रोसेस और ऑर्गेनाइज और स्ट्रक्चर किया जाता है into the meaningful manner, that is then called as information. Like for example, if we talk about sales report, जो कि basically दिखाते हैं total revenue for a given month, which is basically example of information. So in computing, data जो है it act as an input which is processed by the computer to produce information or results. Hence, our option number 2 is our correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. The question is, which of the following cycles consists of input processing output as its main constituents? This question has been already asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Your options are first processing, second output, third input, fourth storage, and fifth data. Here the correct answer is option 5. Let's see the explanation. Cycle of input processing, output, and storage, it is called as data or information processing cycle, which is basically a sequence or steps of computer follows to convert raw data into the meaningful information. और ये जो steps हैं, these steps include, first is input, like जो computer है it first receive data through input devices including keyboard, mouse, etc. Then it process that data according to the protocols of CPU. Then output, जो computer है it display or it produce results through output devices like monitor, printer. Then storage, computer है it store data either in permanent or temporary storage devices or in memory for our future use. So ये जो cycle है it shows that how computer operate and how it handle data effectively. Hence our option 5 data is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question, and the question is, dash dash is data that has been organized and presented in a meaningful fashion. And this question had been already asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Your options are A process, B a process, second software, 3 storage, and 4 information, and 5 data. जैसे कि अभी हमने ये डिस्कस किया, here the correct answer is option 4, that is information. Let's see the explanation. Data is basically a raw and unorganized data. For example, here is given the example of data like 50 John 2025 0 to 9. It becomes information जब computer इसको properly organize करता है in a meaningful manner. Like for example, John placed an order for 50 units on February 9, 2025. Information basically provide us context and insight for decision making. Hence, जो हमारा option 4 है, that is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, data or information which is used to run computer is called. Your options are 1 hardware, 2 CPU, 3 peripheral, and 4 none of these. Here the correct answer is option 4, that is none of these. Let's see an explanation. Data or information which is used to run a computer is called as software. That was not basically given in an option. Among which जो hardware है, it refer to the physical components of computer that we see and touch, and CPU जो है it is basically a central processing unit that follow instructions. Then peripherals, these are the external devices that are connected to the computer like printer or keyboard. Hence our option number 4 is our correct answer. Let's proceed to the next question, that is the steps and tasks that are needed to process data, such as responses to question or clicking an icon. is called as option 1 instructions, 2 operating system, 3 application software, 4 the system unit, and 5th the hardware unit. Here the correct answer is option 1 instructions. Let's see the explanation. The steps and tasks that plays an important role in data processing, such as responses to question or clicking an icon, are called as instructions or program instructions. Instructions जो हैं, these are basically the commands that are given to the computer to perform any tasks. और programs जो हैं, these are basically the set of instructions that are written in programming language जो कि process execute करते हैं data को. और ये जो instructions हैं that basically guide computer through various tasks like responding to user input, performing calculations, displaying outputs, and in programming ये जो sets of instructions हैं, these are organized into the algorithms. Hence our option number 1 is our correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. The question is earliest calculating device. Which is the earliest calculating device? Your options are 1 calculator, 2 abacus, 3 difference engine, and 4 both 1 and 2. Here the correct answer is option 2 abacus. Let's see the explanation. जो abacus है, it is one of the earliest calculating device जिसको डेवलप किया गया अराउंड 2400 BC, जिसमें रोज और पैड्स जो है that were used to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. और इसको widely use करते थे ancient civilizations like China, Mesopotamia and Egypt, and इसको still use किया जाता है as a educational tool which is used for educational purposes and manual calculations, and this device laid the foundation for modern computing and calculation tools. Hence our option 2 abacus is our correct answer. Now let's discuss another question. The question is abacus can perform your options are 1 addition, 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, and 4 all of these. Here the correct answer is option 4 all of these. Let's see an explanation. So abacus है, it can perform various arithmetic operations like addition. It perform addition through moving pads to represent sums, and subtraction, it perform subtraction to moving pads in opposite direction to represent differences, and multiplication, it perform multiplication through repeated addition on rods. Then division, it perform division through repeated subtraction and bad alignment. And counting, it perform it through tracking quantities efficiently. However, ये जो device है, it perform limited arithmetic operations as compared to modern computers. While ये जो device है, it is highly effective for manual calculations that had played an important role in ancient commerce and education. Hence our option 4 is our correct answer. Let's proceed to the next question. The question is Napier technology which is used for calculation is called 1 Napflogia, 2 Wobologia, 3 semiconductor, and 4 Raptologia. Our correct answer is option 4, that is Raptologia. Let's see an explanation. The technology जिसको use किया गया in Napier bones for calculation is called as Raptologia or logarithms. जॉन नेपर जो कि एक स्कॉटिश मैथमेटिशियन थे, उसने इन्वेंट किया नेपर बोन्स को इन 1617. और ये जो डिवाइस है, इसमें यूज़ किए गए सेट ऑफ रॉड्स कॉल्ड एज बोन्स अलॉन्ग विथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल, जिसको यूज़ किया जाता था टू परफॉर्म मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस, जिसको बेसिकली डेवलप किया गया टू मेक कम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशंस एंड डिवीजन प्रॉब्लम्स मोर सिंपलर. And this device revolutionized calculations in mathematics. Hence our option number 4 is our correct answer. Now let's see the another question, that is Pascaline is also known as. Your options are 1 abacus, 2 adding machine, 3 division machine, 4 difference engine. Here the correct answer is option 2, that is adding machine. Let's see an explanation. The Pascaline device, it is also known as adding machine, Pascal calculator, or the arithmetic machine. जिसको इन्वेंट किया बाय ब्लेज पास्कल इन 1642, जो कि वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस बना जिसको यूज़ किया जाता था टू परफॉर्म एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन। एंड इन दिस मशीन सीरीज ऑफ गियर्स जो है वो यूज़ किए गए जो कि रिप्रेजेंट करते थे नंबर्स को। एंड ये जो डिवाइस है इसको मोस्टली यूज़ किया जाता था फॉर एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग numbers. Hence, our option 2 is our correct answer. Now let's see the next question, that is punched cards were first introduced by. Your options are 1 Powers, 2 Pascal, 3 Jacquard, and 4 Hermann Hellerith. Here the correct answer is option 3 Jacquard. Let's see an explanation. जो पंचड कार्ड्स हैं इनको फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किया बाय जोसेफ मैरी जैक्वार्ड इन 1801, जिनको बेसिकली यूज़ किया जाता था इन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, जो जिनको यूज़ किया जाता था टू कंट्रोल द वीविंग एंड टेक्सटाइल पैटर्न्स। और ये जो कार्ड्स हैं दीज कार्ड्स कंटेन इंस्ट्रक्शंस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ होल्स जो कि गाइड करते हैं मशीन ऑपरेशंस को। लेटर जो कंसेप्ट है इसको एडेप्ट और इम्प्रूव किया बाय हरमन हेलोरिथ फॉर डेटा प्रोसेसिंग in 1819 US census, and he marks the entry of punched cards into the computing history. Hence our option 3 is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The next question is punched cards is also known as. This question had been already asked in RRB and TPC 2016. Your options are A Hellerith card, B video card, C sound card, D accelerator card. You have to choose the answer from the given codes below. 1B, 2C, 3A, and 4D. Here our correct answer is option 3, that is A Hellerith card. Punched card जो है it is also known as Hellerith card, which was named after the Hermann Hellerith, जिसने popularize किया use of punched cards for data processing. और ये जो कार्ड्स हैं दीज कार्ड्स इनको यूज़ किया जाता था टू स्टोर इन्फॉर्मेशन थ्रू पंचिंग होल्स इन प्री डिफाइंड पोजिशंस, जो कि मशीन रीड करती थी। और ये जो कार्ड्स हैं दीज कार्ड्स प्ले ए सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन अर्ली कंप्यूटिंग, जिनको कॉमनली यूज़ किया जाता था बिफोर द एडवेंट ऑफ डिजिटल स्टोरेज सिस्टम। नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नोन एज फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर. दिस क्वेश्चन हैड बीन ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड इन various exams like SSC CGL 2015 and UP SSSC 2016. Your options are option 1 Dennis Ritchie, 2 Napier, option 3 Charles Babbage, and 4 Alan Turing. The correct answer of this question is option 3, that is Charles Babbage. Let's see an explanation. Charles Babbage जो है इसको also जाना जाता है एज ए फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर, जिसने बेसिकली इन्वेंट किया एनालिटिकल इंजन को इन 1830, जिसको कंसिडर किया जाता है एज फर्स्ट जनरल पर्पस मैकेनिकल कंप्यूटर। और उसने आल्सो डिज़ाइन किया डिफरेंस इंजन को, जिसको मोस्टली यूज़ किया जाता था फॉर परफॉर्मिंग मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस। ऑल्दो उसकी जो मशीन्स हैं दैट वर नेवर फुली बिल्ड ड्यूरिंग हिज लाइफ टाइम, बस उसके जो आइडियाज़ हैं दैट lay down the foundation for modern computing. Hence our option 3 as our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is who is known as the father of modern computers. Your options are 1 Charles Babbage, 2 Alan Turing, 3 Blaise Pascal, and 4 Jordan Moore. Here the correct answer is option 2, that's Alan Turing. Let's see the explanation. जो अलान टर्निंग है इसको जाना जाता है एज ए फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न कंप्यूटिंग। उसने डेवलप किया कंसेप्ट ऑफ टर्निंग मशीन इन 1936, which laid down the foundation for modern computing and algorithms. And during the World War II उसने हैक किया जर्मन इंजिमा कोड को, which had helped Allies powers to intercept and decipher Nazi military communication that significantly ended the war and saved countless lives. और उसकी जो वर्क्स है ऑन ऑटोमेटिक कंप्यूटिंग इंजन दैट इज़ ACE दैट फर्दर शेप्ड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंप्यूटर्स। उसकी जो आइडियाज़ हैं दैट कंटिन्यूसली इन्फ्लुएंस कंप्यूटर साइंस, AI एंड क्रिप्टोग्राफी। Hence our option 2 is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is analytical engine was developed by. Your options are 1 Blaise Pascal, 2 Charles Babbage, 3 Dennis Ritchie, and 4. Alan Turing. The correct answer is option 2, चार्ल्स बेबेज। चार्ल्स बेबेज जो है उसने इसको डेवलप किया इन 1837 एंड ये बेसिकली फर्स्ट कंसेप्चुअल डिज़ाइन था फॉर जनरल पर्पस मैकेनिकल कंप्यूटर। और ये जो डिवाइस है इसके हमें बहुत सारी कंपोनेंट्स देखने को मिलते थे, लाइक मिल डिवाइस जो कि हेल्प करता था, जो कि एक्ट करता था एज ए CPU, देन स्टोर दैट इज़ मेमोरी डिवाइस, देन इनपुट एंड आउटपुट डिवाइसेस। सो ये जो डिवाइस था इट इज़ केपेबल ऑफ performing basic arithmetic operations as well as logical operations. Although ये जो डिवाइस है इसको फुली बिल्ड नहीं किया गया इन हिज लाइफ टाइम, बट ये जो डिज़ाइन है इट लेड द फाउंडेशन फॉर मॉडर्न कंप्यूटिंग एंड ड्यू टू हिज रिमार्केबल अचीवमेंट्स उसको जनरली कंसिडर किया जाता है एज फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। Hence our option 2 is our correct answer. Now let's proceed to the next question. The question is, first analytical engine developed during the first generation of computer, which are used dash dash as a memory unit. Your options are 1 RAM, 2 floppies, 3 cards and 4 counter wheels. The correct answer is option 4, that is counter wheels. Let's see an explanation. Analytical engine इसको डेवलप किया by Charles Babbage before first generation computer that use counter wheels as its memory unit. However, it is also important to note that कि जो analytical engine है it was a mechanical computer or an electronic जिसमें स्पेशलाइज्ड गियर्स, लेवर्स, काउंटर व्हील्स यूज़ किए गए फॉर कैलकुलेशन एंड स्टोरेज। वाइल जो रैम एंड फ्लॉपी टेक्नोलॉजी है that were given in the option, these technologies came much later with the advent of electronic computing. और जो पंचड कार्ड्स हैं इनको यूज़ किया जाता है फॉर इनपुटिंग डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस which are not a primary memory unit for calculation. Hence our option 4 is the correct answer. Let's proceed to the next question. The question is, tabulating machine was first electromechanical computer. It was developed by, your options are 1 Herman Hallore, 2 Howard Aiken, 3 Blaise Pascal and 4 John Napier. The right answer of this question is 1 Herman Hallore. Let's see an explanation. Tabulating machine जो कि फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल मशीन थी इसको डेवलप किया बाय हेरमन हेलोरे इन 1819 और उसने इन्वेंट किया इस मशीन को दैट वर यूज्ड इन US सेंसस। और ये जो मशीन है इन विच ही यूज पंच्ड कार्ड्स टू रिकॉर्ड डेटा एंड प्रोसेस डेटा। और ये जो मशीन है इट हैड greatly reduced the time for census data analysis and it marked a significant advancements in data processing technology. And later जो हेरमन हेलोरे था he established his own company जिसको हम टुडे जानते हैं as IBM International Business Machine. Hence our option 1 is our correct answer. Let's proceed to the next question, that is, who among the following created the electronic discrete variable automatic computer, that is ADVAC, with a memory to hold both stored program and data? And this question had been already asked in SSC CGL 2018. Your options are 1 Thomas H. Flowers, 2 Arthur Samuel, 3 Bletchley Park and 4 John von Neumann. Let's see the answer. The answer is option 4 John von Neumann. He developed ADVAC computers that store both programs and data, and he became the first key figure in the development of ADVAC in 90s 40s, जिसको also जानते हैं हम as Neuman's architecture that store both program instructions and data in same memory. और ये जो architecture है it still act as a foundation for modern computers. Hence our option 4 is our correct answer. So guys, that is it for today. Hope you like this session and hope you enjoy this video. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और इसको अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए एज वेल, सो दैट वो भी अपने प्रेपरेशन को पीक पे ले जाए. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. हियर आर सम सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स ऑन विच यू कैन फॉलो मी. अदरवाइज यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन माई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप जहाँ मैं आपसे PDF शेयर करूँगा एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो मेल मी ऑन दिस ईमेल अगर आपको स्टडी मटेरियल या अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी या डाउट हो. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.